Okay guys, so Dr. Pepper is completely out, as well as the Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew always goes by really quick. Right now I'm getting all the snacks. As you guys can see, I got the chips at the bottom and the pastries and cookies and stuff on top, and I do carry like a little lunchbox kind of, and of course that's where I keep all the chocolate, because guys, I do live in Texas and it is winter time, but it's still it's a hot day today. But this is what came out, guys. This right here, that's folded, that's from the soda machine. I folded it just so I can tell. It doesn't really matter, but I just wanted to show you guys. And this is from the snack machine. And then those quarters are just from both machines. Say it's maybe $10 I would say. Who knows how much it is? You guys can guess in the comments before I tell you guys at the end of the video. But guys, this is not including whatever the snack machine made in credit card sales, so I will be adding that at the end of the video, exactly how much it made.
Alright guys, so I'm here at one of my vending machine locations. This is a combo machine. As you guys can see, this is 1 week's worth of usage. Most of my product is gone up here. I usually fill this up with chips, a top line, and some bread. Middle snacks consist of cookies, breads, you'll see, and the bottom one's chocolates. These people here love to drink Coca-Cola, so I have 2 slots which holds 48 cans of Coke for each slot, and it's gone by the end of the week. All of these is gone, as you'll see. I'll open the machine up. You'll be able to see let's see if you're able to see it. Let me try to put some light on this. So these are the coins, the coin box. It's a lot of coins there, a lot of mostly quarters. I gotta refill my quarter tube. It's halfway gone, so I gotta refill that. This is my cash box. Let's open this up. Let's see how much is in there. There's a good stack in there. Let me see if I can pull it out with one hand. So yeah, check this out. This is all 1 week of product that was sold.
Bring attention, but this is my missions right here. Show you guys really quick. I mean, it didn't do great. The snacks, it didn't sell good, like you guys can see. It didn't say that the candies did good. The candies do really good on this one. So this is it, guys. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead right now and fill this machine up, finish everything up, and let you guys stay tuned with this video. I'm gonna set up my camera so he's gonna set up to the point that it shows me filling up my machines. Let's get it, guys. I don't know what this is. Okay, so we're good. I'm gonna go ahead. Everything is good. Let's get it, guys. This is right here is about like $300. This is from this week. So this is most of the location that I did this week. On I got a couple of coins on it left. So we got another bag right here. We have another bag right here. This bag right here. This is the last location that I just hit. So I don't know how much this is. Probably like 120, 150. I don't know yet. And I got coins left in there. So it's probably like 150 in here. Just saying the estimate of mine. This is like 1, 2, 1, 2, the first luggage, second luggage, and this is guys, this, as you guys can see, it's a lot of money on this side. It's a lot of money. So you guys see it? Got some pretty impressive numbers on this one. We have a lot of coins right here, guys. We have a lot of coins.
There it is, guys. We'll go ahead and collect that up and go from there. And that's all. So I haven't been to this location yet in this diner. They close early, but this is a perfect example of what can happen to Skittles. See, they're melting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just throw all this candy away, clean it up, start fresh, and I'm gonna throw mini gumballs in here instead, and we'll do peanut M&Ms and Reese's. Alright guys, so just from that, that's a good heavy portion of quarters, guys. That'll be a nice one. And what I'll do now is I'm gonna break it all down, and what I did inside here, so basically, like, that's one collection, there's one, you know, so as you can see, not a very good location. Good location, guys.
Let's go ahead and open these up. So this is on the soda. I'll take that out right now. The snack doesn't do as great, but I mean, it still makes money, so. This is it here, and this is the one that a lot of you guys asked me about. I mean, it's all caged up and stuff like that, so I'm gonna open it up for you and I'll show you guys a bit more. So here's the snack. Usually I sell more and a lot of coils are empty, but here's the change. I'm not gonna collect the change. Here's the dollar bills. As you can see, it's a lot. This location does pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Here, it's at a break room of a pretty big spot. I was here like 2 days ago, so that's why. This is the change there. That's the coach there. Now, just go ahead and open this up for you guys. That's the change there. Dollar bills are a bit tricky. And those are the dollar bills there, so not too bad out of a week. For today, the change is around $53, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600.
There's 10 fives here, so it's $6.50, and this is $24, so $6.74 plus the $60 and change makes it $723.